Hi everybody, this is Preeti here, and basically I am an ME graduate. My domain is electronics. I came to NYINST through a walk-in. So basically I have attended more than 30 to 40 walk-ins around Tamil Nadu. So what I found in NYINST was they are very practical. So when I was inside the institute, I can feel the comfort zone inside the institute. So it helped me more in gaining more practical knowledge. So we are working on hands-on projects so that you can develop your knowledge as much as possible. So that is the main point of NYINST. So what I experience is that none other company or any institute in India is doing this. So I prefer NYINST to be a comfort zone for everybody to learn, to develop their knowledge in particular field.